Maybe on Saturday, due to having some WebEx issue, we have stopped the session in between, I guess, right? I'm sorry. Maybe I can take the same running notes of Saturday. I can continue, I guess. That would be fine. I will change the dates actually. Okay. Now, let me take this one and the same running notes I can take, and I will change the dates here. Same running notes and deep learning MLP steps and examples. This one would be day 21. Yeah, that's it. Did you understand what I'm doing? Good. Let's take the same thing. Okay. So I hope the example we have run in Google Colab also, I guess, actually. Am I right or not, sir? Did I run? Okay, fine then. Let me run actually. Let me run the example in Google Colab so that I can continue. Very simple. The same piece of the code I can take actually, so that we are printing here total accuracy. Verbose equals to 0 means, Daniel, while you are printing the log system, kind of some step number 1, how much accuracy and loss, step number 2, accuracy and loss, step number 3, accuracy and loss, how sequentially it is increasing. I don't want to display that. Then you can go for verbose equals to 0. We can go for verbose equals to 0 actually. So I mean to say verbose equals to false. What is that? Verbose equals to false. Then by default true. By default, make a note on this one. That is the default value. Okay. Now quickly I can run this example in a Google Colab so that I can continue. Please. Online team, my voice is clear, please. Okay. Google Colab. You can just have to search like that in Google. First of all, did I explain Google Colab previously? Let's move on. Fine, fine. It's okay. It's okay. I will do one thing. First of all, I will give an introduction about the Google Colab. Google Colab. Please make a note on this one. So till now, we are executing, so writing and executing. We are writing and executing examples. Executing what exactly? Examples by using. Can you tell me what is the approach actually? The approach number 1 is a notepad and what exactly? Command prompt. Notepad and what exactly? Command prompt. The next approach is called as a Google Colab. What is the next approach, man? By using Google Colab also, you can execute all examples actually. And the next one will be PyCharm. The next one is what exactly? PyCharm. The next one will be Jupyter. Are you done actually? Jupyter, almost similar. If you know the Jupyter, Google Colab is same actually. Today, let me talk about the Google Colab. Second approach actually. Tim, a long ago, you can say before 5 years, Google company already done prediction. Future is the data science. Future is data science. Then let us provide separate environment. This is something like a system in cloud actually. A system. Imagine you wanted to execute the data science example. You wanted to execute what exactly? Data science example. This data science example, you can just try to execute over online by using Google Collaboratory. By using what exactly, man? Google Collaboratory. I don't know. Right. Now the first point actually. What is the point here, sir? We can write and run the programs. Right, and what exactly? Run the programs programs by using Google Collaboratory. Google what exactly mean? Collaborate. I will show you how to do that. I will show you actually. Go to the Google. First, what we need to do, sir? Go to the Google. Go to the Google. Google Collab you need to type. What you need to type? Google Collab. Then you will get a Google Collaboratory, a kind of some collab or research.google.com. That's okay. Still you can click on that one. Yeah. So control 0. So if you closely observe this one, you will get a clarity. Go to the file, click onto the new notebook actually. Click onto what exactly man? New notebook in a drive. Click onto that. That's still okay. Sir, first of all, you need to click onto the sign in. Chapan, you need to click on sign in. Your Gmail and your password you need to try. Come on. Yeah, good. Looks like this. Same thing like a Jupyter. Same thing like a Jupyter. Come on. What is a hello example? Print here. Print of hello. You can just try to print here. Hello. You can just try to type this one. You will get output actually. What happened, Google backend, it is assigned completely one system to you to execute all your examples. It is giving good configuration. RAM size, how much it has given, sir? Almost 12 plus GB. 12 GB RAM it has given. And hard disk, how much, sir? Almost 100 plus GB it has given. 100 plus GB, that is not a joke actually. Best example, if you are feeling your system is a little slow, then do one thing. You can use Google Colab. You can use what exactly mean? Google Colab to execute all your example. First example, let us do pandas example. What example? Come on, let me tell you how to load a CSV file. Can we write a code actually? Chaptara, import pandas as PD. All right. The next one will be df equals to. If you want line by line also you can write. Click on this. Here, no need to install Python. No need to install pandas. No need to install scikit-learn. Everything, the environment is ready. It's something like a ready-made environment actual. What is that? Ready-made. So the environment is ready. Just you can write your program and you can just try to implement the logic. Then you will get a result actually. Yeah, df equals to chaptara. Chappan sir, pd dot read underscore csv. And here the file name. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. Execute this one. Okay. What output you are getting, sir? File not found error. Here is the important point. File is not there. Click onto this folder. Left hand side, click onto this folder actually. And sample data. Upload the file. I hope you know where the file is available. Sales1.csv. Sales1. It's okay. Let us upload this. One small warning. Once you done your example, the file will be deleted automatically. The file will be deleted. What exactly mean? Automatically. Click on OK. That's still okay for me. And here the file is uploaded actually. Yeah, sales1.csv. Copy this path. Copy the path actually. Now close this one. And here instead of this one, copy the path. Good. Now run this one actually. Good. Now let me tell you, sales1.csv you are saving. Then automatically where it is available, sir, content sample underscore data. The next one will be sales1.csv file. Sir, the data frame is ready. Wow. The data frame is ready actually. I'm sure you got a clarity. Did you understand or not, sir? This is called as a Google Colab environment. What environment? But we are not using in real time. Daniel, why? Simple. Sales1.csv, our file we can load actually. But company data, private data. What data? How can you upload that private data in a Google Drive? It will be, you are violating the policies. You are violating. For practice purpose, you can use Google Colab. But in a company level, they are not using actually. Company will use Chegod actually. Can I get a response actually? Yeah, make a note on this one. Same thing like this. If you are feeling your deep learning, whenever you are writing your example, deep learning example, and Daniel, the deep learning examples I'm implementing, if you are having kind of some any issues actually, what you guys need to do, you can use, what exactly, sir? 1 minute. Come again? Yeah, automatically your code will be run, sir. No doubt in that actually. No doubt in that. We can change, but that would be good actually. You have to keep the existing that as it is actually. Okay? Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. Daniel, I'm looking for more cells. Click on this plus symbol, plus symbol, plus symbol. You will get actually. Good. Are you ready? Can I explain one more time? You will get a clarity. Come on, let's just try to sign out. Daniel, what you are planning to running? Deep learning example I'm planning to run. First of all, go to the Google and Google Colab. Open this. Then you have to log in. Click onto the sign in. That is okay. Fill these are all. That's still okay. Click onto the sign in. Sign in with the right credentials. Yeah, good. Then automatically it will tell, hey, open a new notebook actually. This is just now I have created. Did you notice? Maybe that file didn't saved, I guess. That's still okay. 542. So this file just now we have created actually. Yeah, new notebook. New notebook. Now here, let me write a deep learning example. So simple, you can just have to come here, deep learning example. Go to the running nodes, copy our code actually. Can I delete verbose actually? I just wanted to know, I wanted to see the backend logs actually. All right, let me run. Can you tell me what is output you are going to get? Can you help me what is output you are going to get? Very good. Why? Because actually, file is not available. File is not available. Then if you want, you can just have to check the error and you can just have to, after you are getting error, you can cross verify. Good. File not found error. Then what we need to do? Go to click on this folder. I hope you know how to upload your photos in Facebook actually. So here also same upload option you know very well. Now here load the file actually. Load what exactly mean? File. The warning will be what it is telling. Once you done this example, once you are closing this browser, I will delete that file. Why it is deleting that file? First of all, security purpose. Next file will be, think like you loaded 100 GB file. Think like that. Multiple files we have loaded. Just one time you run. Next time onwards you are not using, unnecessarily wasting the memory. Unnecessarily wasting. That's what it will ensure that your files are saved elsewhere. This running file will be deleted when this runtime is what exactly mean? All files will be deleted. Only files. But this Jupyter file is available. Collaborator file is available actually, right? Chapman sir, click on no option actually. We don't have any other option also. We cannot say no actually. Click on OK. Click on this one. Oh, run this one. Still, you need to pass that path actually. This path is a quite different. This path is a quite different. Click on this one. Click onto the sample data, and this one is a path actually. Copy the path. Copy the path, and here you need to provide. Good. Now look at my screen. Yeah, cinema started actually. Did you notice very fast compared to our local machine actually? Did you understand? Somewhat little fast. It helps you. If you wanted to execute all deep learning example, you can execute. Enable GPU also option would you have, sir, that I can cover later. In settings, you can enable actually. First of all, this is really great. Google company, it is providing default environment, free environment. This is something like in cloud, they are giving system actually. In that system, you can work all your examples. That's what you need to be understand. How much accuracy we are getting? 76. This one is a stable score. What score actually? Stable score. Stable score. I'm sure, hope you understand. Online team, I hope you understand, sir. I need to move on. Why? Because, since a long we are here itself actually. Verbose also I covered, I guess. Prediction we done. I still remember we done prediction. Verbose also we done actually. The last creating diagram that we can see later. And summary also. Model summary. Basically not required. How many trained parameters, how many non-trainable parameters actually. If you want, you can check. This I can talk later, sir. Why? Because we have a separate discussion. There is a one method. Method name is called as a summary. What is the method name? Summary. When you are calling model dot summary, the total neural network, how many parameters are right parameters, how many parameters are non-trainable parameters. Here you can see. Here you can see. Kind of some first layer, second layer, third layer, input layer, and hidden layer. These are all you can see. Sir, I can talk this one later, but I'm sure if you are calling this method actually, you will get this kind of output. Just for output showcase, if you want, I can execute this example. Why? Because this is not important as of now. Model dot summary. If you want, I can help you with the little calculation. By looking at this diagram, can you help me? Can you help me actually? What is the first neurons actually? Can you help me? Input layer. Input layer. How many neurons? 8. First hidden layer. First, hidden layer actually. Chaptara? I hope 12, I guess. And sir? 12. Am I right? 12 actually. Second hidden layer. How many? 8 actually. What is output layer? Output layer having what exactly? 1. A kind of some small little calculation is happening in the back end. What is that calculation? So please, if you want, you can take your calculator. 8 into 12 plus 12. The next one will be again for the whole result actually 8 into 12 plus 12. The next one 12 into 8. 12 into 8 plus 8 actually plus 8. Then 8 into 1. 8 into what exactly? 1 actually. Then for sure, can somebody tell me the result? Any idea? 18. Come again? 220 actually. I'm sure. So we should get 221. You can just have to make it plus 1 actually. At last, what is the would you have, sir? Can you talk with me? 1. Then total, how many actually talk with me, sir? 221. I'm sorry, I'm not in a hurry. This I can talk later. If you wanted to know how you got this 221, this one is a little calculation actually. If you want, I can do in front of you, will get a clarity, right? So 8 into 12 plus 12, then 12 into 8 plus 8 actually. If you want, you can take this one and you can just have to go for here, py, you can apply in console actually. Yeah, 221. What is the result we are getting? 221. Daniel, how you done calculation? Simple. Back end neural network. This value into 12. Okay. Plus 12. The next one. 12 into 8. 12 into 8. Plus 8. Then finally, so 8 into 1. Yes. Then next one is what exactly? Plus 1. Daniel, how this calculation? We can see later, sir. Upcoming topic actually. I'm sorry, I know which topic at what time I need to discuss. Yeah, I'm sure. Ayyo. Any idea why I got this error? Error ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? We copied the program from Google Colab, sir. We copied the program from what exactly? Google. I thought we got an output and I wanted to show you. Sorry, sir. We'll get a summary. This is the table, looks like this actually. Trainable parameters. These are all total 665 parameters actually. But out of 665, 221. I hope you got the result also same actually. What is this optimizer value? Sir, important. During interview, definitely they will ask, but I can cover later. How the model, how the neural network. I wanted to know the summary. Then you need to call a method. Chapter, sir, what is the method name actually? Talk with me. What is the method name? Summary actually. You should not keep in between print statement. Something like info method. Something like, చెప్పండి sir. Info method. Did you remember info method is belongs to a data frame. Alright. So you should not use in between. And input having how many layers? Output having how many layers? Input layers, how many layers? I wanted to see the image actually. This is not important. In real time, we are not using, but still I have given example. This example don't run in local. We can get the image of model. Just try to run this example in a Google Colab. Why? Because specific library may not support your system actually. Kind of some this diagram it is being getting involving actually. So ensure that make a note on this one. Input layer, how many neurons? Output layer, how many neurons? You will get a clear picture actually. This one is input layer, first hidden layer, second hidden layer, output layer actually. Then is it important? Not important. But if you want, you can draw this diagram actually. You will get a diagram. You can draw the diagram. A big diagram you will get actually. Yeah. As I told, big diagram. You can say this. Such a big diagram. Can I drag and drop here? Yeah, you can do that. This is the diagram actually. Daniel, is it important? Not important, sir. Idant important kadu. You can still ignore. But we can, the whole network diagram we can draw actually. This is possible. Okay. What activation function? This is updated. Seems to be this is updated, but when I was preparing the diagram, this one is we got it like this, and here it is displaying what is activation function we are using, how many layers it is telling clearly. Thank God, first of all, we done this. Maybe because we started a long back actually. This example. Okay. Move to the next example. Chapter number 6. Evaluate model performance. $1,000 interview question, sir. Can you tell me what is the topic name? Evaluate model performance actual. So simple. Please understand this one. There are two ways. Daniel, we understand step number 1. We created a deep learning network. We created a deep learning example. So conclusion of the story, when I say deep learning, we have created a neural network. Japan sir, we have created a neural network actually, neural network. Then I just wanted to boost the performance, or else I wanted to improve the performance actually. There are two ways. First one and second one. First one and what exactly? Second one actually. Second one. When it comes to first one, so the first one will be 1.1 actually, automatic evaluation. Talk with me, sir. Automatic approach actually. Automatic approach. Second one will be manual approach. Come on, I'm talking with you. I'm repeating again. Sir, you can evaluate the model. You can evaluate the model in a two ways. When I'm talking about the two, there are 1.1 and 1.2. The first one is called as a automatic. Chaptara sir, automatic. AUTO, I'm sorry. Automatic approach actually. Second one is called as a manual approach. When I say second one manual approach, simple train underscore test underscore split. Okay. This is called as a manual approach. That is called as a, I'm sure by this time you already know actually. Did you remember previously for neural network directly X and Y we provided actually, but we didn't apply splitting. We didn't apply. Now in this example we are applying splitting. That's what you need to be understand. The first one will be automatic split you can do. Automatically the data will be split actually, that you can do. Automatically split we can do. The second one will be manual. Second one will be manual. So the next point will be, the next point is k-fold cross validation. Chapter sir, k-fold cross validation. That's what you need to be understand, right? Practically we can do actually. First of all, this example, who will understand, who already done deep learning first example, those guys only can understand actually. Otherwise, please make a note on this one. Online team, is my voice is clear? I'm sorry, extremely sorry. On Saturday, we have literally faced a lot of issues actually. That's what I have cancelled the session. I do have a meeting with admin actually. Online team, no response. Yeah, good. Supriya Garu, Sahu sir. Nageswara Sarji, your voice is very clear. Thank you. Thank you for confirmation. Let's move on. We can evaluate the model by using below ways. The first one is called as a data splitting. The next one is called as a by using k-fold cross validation. By using what exactly? K-fold cross validation, right? So if you want, can I make it more clear actually? Daniel, the first one will be data splitting. When I say data splitting, two ways actually. The first one, automatic approach. Yeah, good. Automatic approach. The second one will be manual approach. Chapter sir, second one is manual actually. Manual approach, which is so called as a train underscore test underscore split. Here also manual approach only. But here what we need to use, చెప్పండి sir, k-fold cross validation. I'm sorry. Hope you understand. You can evaluate the neural network in 2 ways. By doing the data splitting, next one will be manual. Important, no doubt in that actually. Okay. We'll do the first one, 1.1 actually. What is 1.1? Any idea? Automatic splitting. What is that? Automatic splitting, right? So automatic split. Team seems to be, it's being long time. I have written an example. I will write an example, then I can write, and you will try to understand the difference. You will try to understand the difference actually. I don't want to copy paste. Come on, sir. Data splitting, automatic verification data set. Once model compiling is done, once after model compiled actually, then we need to train the model. We need to train what exactly? Model. Validation split keyword argument. Okay. There is a one special keyword argument. That keyword argument name is called as a validation underscore split keyword argument. Helps in automation, automatic verification. It is helping us automatically divides the data. Something like a training data set, the next one will be testing data set. One important entry question here actually, right? Sir, we are giving data set to the deep learning. Automatically, just you can bring one keyword argument, it splits the data like a train and test actually. Train and what exactly? Not only splitting, what is a great added advantage, I will talk. We can train the model by using fit method. Yes, we already know that. For fit method, there is a one keyword argument. What is that keyword argument, sir? Chapane, validation. Think like validation means testing. Talk with me. Testing data set actually. Testing data set. Testing data set belongs to how much, sir? 33%. Remaining 67 belongs to training. Yeah, it is done automatically. This technique we can provide automatically as a keyword argument. We can give 0.2, you can give 0.33, you can give, up to you actual, up to you. So out of total example, only fit method syntax will be changed. What it will be changed? But anyway, I would like to rewrite in front of you. You will get a more clarity. Print model evaluation, deep learning network, deep learning model evaluation, automatic splitting. Okay. Yeah, Daniel, this one is a topic. Now, can you help me, sir? What is the step number 1? Yo, I need your help, man. Step number 1, importing the libraries. Yeah, good. We are importing this. Next, step number 2, loading the dataset. I'm sure you already know how to load the dataset. Kada? Yeah. Yeah. Load txt by using this function which is coming from NumPy. We are loading the dataset actually. Any idea why delimiter equals to like this actually? Yeah, though this one is a CSV file, and first of all, load txt, no header. What is that? No header. Yes, you can still load by using load txt file. Next one will be data preparation. Step number 3 is the data preparation. We know that. We are separating input and output actually. Daniel, why you are taking the same data set? It will be more clear for you. Can you guess the next step? Guess the next step. Splitting the data set. Okay. Splitting the data set is not an optional. I'm sorry. This one is automatic approach. What approach? Automatic approach. If it is automatic approach, there is a method. That method you need to update. What is that method name? Fit method. What method? While training, you need to update actually. I will talk with you. చెప్పండి సార్, what is the next step actually? చెప్పండి సార్. Yeah, I hope you already know. Model training. Can I get a help from you? Model creation, right? Yeah, please. Yeah. చెప్పండి, model equals to sequential. Sequential actually. Yeah, yes sir. We are just trying to Siddiq Sarji. Yeah, let's move on. Step number 5.1. Any idea what do you mean by step number 5.1? Creating layers and adding layers to the model. Then you are not done right practice actually. Creating layers and add layers to model. I'm not getting right response actually. Okay, good. We are doing these are all steps in one shot actually. Okay, good sir. First time 2 layers, third layer, fourth layer. This one is input layer. I mean to say 8 neurons, and the second layer having the 12 neurons actually. I mean to say when I say second layer, first hidden layer, second hidden layer, output layer. Then after that we have to add all layers to the model. After that we have to add all layers to what exactly mean? Model. Yes, we have added actually. Can you help me the next step? Next step chaptara. Very good. Model compilation. One more time. Layers and adjacent. No. That's still okay. That's still okay. Layers 1, 2, if you want layers 3, layer 4 also. But frankly speaking, good to follow the order. It is really good to follow the order actually. You can call compile method. Did you try deep learning first example? Please input. Which one? Sir, last layer what you have written, that is called as output layer. Last layer, I mean, can I tell you one more thing? Do one thing. You can make it something like a 16 here and go to the next line actually. Now, fifth one, this one is still valid example actually. Now, which one is the last layer, you know? So, layer 5, this one is output layer actually. How you are giving as the 1? Why? Because output should be either yes or no. Then output should be 1. That's what you have to provide one neuron only. You have to provide one neuron. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? If you want, you can add a few more layers. That's what I told. Deep learning is R&D approach. You have to do. You have to do little practice. You will get a clarity. Add one more layer and you can check the result. You will get a more clarity. Okay. Compile wooden. What is the next step? Important actually. Important. Training, right? Then you need to introduce one new keyword argument that is called as a validation split actually. Can I just try to write this one? Step number 7, model training. Model dot fit method, and here you guys need to specify what all you need to specify. X, next one y, the next, oh sorry sir, y, comma, the next one validation underscore split equals to 0.33. The next one epochs, and as usual batch sizes also you need to specify. That's it, we need to run. Sir, come again, did I miss anything? Come again. Sorry, did I miss anything? After, can you spell out one more time? Oh, that is still okay. Are you talking about this one? Okay, fine then. If you are, this one is, that is still fine actually. Tim, one small important point actually. Deep neural network, deep learning example, without splitting actually, without splitting. What kind of output you got? You know, you got accuracy. The next one you got loss. You got what exactly? Loss. But now let me tell you, deep learning with splitting. This is very, very important. Please be focused actually. Sir, first of all, when you are splitting the data is split into two parts actually. First one is a trained data set. The next one is a test data set. When I say test, actually think like a validation data set. What data set? Validation data set. Validation means testing. Don't think too much. Here is the story. For training also, you can see accuracy, and here itself you can see loss. Okay. For validation also you can see accuracy, and here itself you can see loss. Please, this point is important. I will tell you why. For training data set, it will give accuracy and loss. For testing data set also, it will give accuracy and what exactly? Loss actually. Why like this, you know? Go back to the machine learning. The topic name is called as a overfitting model. What model? What do you mean by overfitting? Did you remember? During training, score is good. During testing, score is less. That is called as a, here itself you can validate actually. Here itself you can validate. That's what it is displaying. During training, it will display accuracy and error. During testing, it will display accuracy and error actually. Almost both should be near value. Both should be, yeah, imagine here we are getting accuracy 90. And here you may get accuracy will be kind of some 89, 88, something like that actually. Then we can say model trained very well. Model trained what exactly mean? Very well. If you wanted to understand this point, go back to the machine learning, you should know the overfitting topic. What is the topic name, sir? If you really understand overfitting topic, then only you will understand this one actually. I have a question for you. When it comes to deep learning, you are doing splitting the data. When you are splitting the data is splitting into two parts, man. Train data set, test data set, validation. For training, accuracy loss separate. For testing, accuracy loss separate. Daniel, why? To identify neural network is overfit or not actually. Yeah, there may be a chance. All machine learning it will be apply here also actually, right? Now Daniel, to check why accuracy and loss separate values for train and test data set. Train and what exactly mean? Test data sets. Simple, the answer is very simple. To check, to recognize, to check either neural network overfit or not. Overfit or what exactly? No, that's what you need to be understand. Siddiq Sarji, in machine learning, there is no automatic. Manually, we have to do. That's the answer for your question. Next one, Karthik. How loss is calculated in deep learning actually? Sir, that's what here you can, as I told you, and here you are providing loss, right? And this algorithm takes care automatically. I'm sorry, this loss function takes care automatically, calculating the loss. Karthik Sarji, are you ready? Can I run the code actually? Get ready. If I'm running the code, you can see some new things actually today. I need your response, please. I didn't apply the verbose, right? If you apply verbose, you cannot say, yeah, we didn't apply. Good. Yeah, check it. I can maximize, hold on. Cinema started actually. Accuracy loss. Val accuracy, val loss. Val accuracy, val loss. Accuracy loss means training data set. Val accuracy, val loss means that's it. Training accuracy and testing accuracy should be near value. Otherwise, neural network overfit actual. Overfitted actual. Very nice. I have a question for you. Can you talk with me? What is accuracy level? 70. And value accuracy how much? Great. That's fine. 4 is the difference actual. Then model, good neural network actual. What network, sir? If you are getting here is a 70, if you are getting here is a 20 or 25, then overfitted actually. What exactly mean? Overfitted actually. Okay. Here accuracy and loss, and here val accuracy, right? Val underscore accuracy, and this one will be chapter, sir. Val loss actually. Val loss. Okay. One minute, sir. This one would be, yeah. Okay. It will be more clear, I guess, for you. This one is, oh, sorry. More clear. Chappandi, what it splitting? Can I tell you, sir? Splitting means you can give you 1,000 rows, 1,001 rows actually, 1 lakh rows, and automatically testing data set should be 33%. Training data set should be 67. Yeah, talk with me. Mm. What do you mean by equal meaning actually? You are talking about equal. Did you remember my father example? Hold on. Father example. Total how many images? Hundreds. Can you tell me the ratio actually? 70, 30. 70 belongs to training. I hope you already know. Training. And 30 belongs to testing actually. It should be. Testing data set always small data set. Testing data set always small data set actually. Ah, ah. It should be, sir. So that starting itself, if you look at my screen actually, best example, this no, sir. From the every iteration, training supposed to be done and testing also supposed to be done immediately actually. Okay. So do little, or I understand your question. Think like there is a scenario. My father already done image number 1 trained actually, and my father is using, think like, so some I-71 testing also done actually. Think like that. Think like that. Training and testing parallelly in such a way that actually. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question, everybody? Automatic splitting. What splitting? Automatic. You no need to do anything. Just you can use validation underscore split. Actually, it takes care. It takes care, right? Take this one. All right. Now, can you tell me what is the next point? Next point is Chappan sir, manual. What is the next one? Manual actual, right? So running the example, you can see. I hope train accuracy and loss you can see. Testing accuracy and loss we can see actual. Now, little difference you need to be understand. Little difference actual difference. Daniel, can you tell me the difference between the difference between loss and cost actually? Loss and what exactly, sir? Cost. Please make a note on this one. What is the point? Loss and cost actually. Sir, what do you mean by loss? Every training will get error. Will get what exactly? Error. That is called as a loss. That's what we are getting. Output will be loss, loss, loss actually. Then whole network will get error. That error is called as a cost. That error is called as what exactly? Cost. This one is a total error actually. This one is what error, sir? Total error. This one is kind of some stepwise error actually. Interview question they will ask actually. Can you tell me the difference between loss and error? First of all, both are same. In terms of the definition, both are errors only. But when you're talking about the loss, this is something like, for every training, there is a, loss would you have, loss would you have, loss would you have. For every step, there is a loss actually. If you're taking about the total loss actually, that is something like, error per iteration. You can say, sir. This is called as a cost actually. Can I get a response? Yeah. I told already, loss equals to cost. If both are same, why two topic actually? A little difference. Are you with me or not? In terms of the definition, both are same. Sir, manual approach. I'm sorry, manual approach actually. Oh, did I copy the example? Yes, I have copied actually. Now, when it comes to manual approach, can I reuse the existing example? Yeah. So otherwise, let's delete actually. It's okay. Yeah, come on back to the session. Model evaluation by using careful cross validation. Take these are all. Importing the required libraries. Any idea? Function. Where we covered? Yeah, machine learning. One minute. Maybe let me finish this actually. I will run one computer vision example. You will get an idea. Step number 2, loading the data set. Please, if you are able to understand, these are all examples. I will show you one real-time project. You will get a clarity actually. Okay. Let me proceed. Data preparation. Splitting the data set. I'm sure I no need to give more explanation actually. You understand this one. But still I will give explanation. It is not optional. We are using train underscore test underscore split. Manual approach actually. Function. I hope how many X train, X test and Y train? Y test actually. So remember one thing. Please ensure that if you are splitting the data, get ready while training, check the accuracy, check the loss. While testing also, check the accuracy, check the loss. That is a fixed process. What process? Then to do this one, what we need to do, you need to use X train, X test and Y train, Y test in such a way that go to the next one, create a model actually. These are all steps. I hope, we are creating the model, Daniel, actually, and creating layers and adding layers to the model. Yeah, good. 5.1. Creating layers and adding layers to the model. Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. You already know these steps, I guess. I no need to type, right? If you are feeling I'm simply copy pasting, if I am doing simply copy paste actually, then even I can confirm that you didn't attend previous session actually. Notepad, let me tell you one small shortcut. Select these two lines. If you wanted to bring those lines into the last actually, like a starting point, shift tab you can press. What you can press? Shift plus tab. You wanted to bring that whole lines in one shot forward actually. Only tab symbol you can just hit to press. These are all things are possible. Other than this, sir, not interview question, just idea actually. Shortcut. I wanted to keep this one into the starting position. Shift tab actually. Okay. Virtual keyboard. Shift tab. Did you notice? That's what actually. I wanted to bring this one into forward. Click on tab. That's it. I hope you know, sir. ఇవన్నీ చిన్న చిన్నవి actually. Yeah. Sir, important point. Important point here. Fit method, what we need to provide? Instead of x comma y, what we need to provide? X train, y train. Along with that x test, y test also we need to provide. Why? For validation purpose. During validation also I wanted to check accuracy, and let me tell you, in machine learning, this one is quite different. Only you have to provide x train and y train. That's it. So here, x train, y train. Wow, one more new keyword argument actually. What is that? Validation underscore data equals to x test, y test. Why? Because I wanted to validate during, during testing also I wanted to see accuracy and error actually. This one is a new step. That's what I have divided the example in such a way that you will get a clarity actually. If you need one more explanation, do let me know, online team. Hey Daniel, can you explain one more time? Sir, what I mean to say that is, for fit method x comma y, anyway splitting x train, y train. Hey Daniel, why this? Required, sir. In machine learning, whenever you are splitting the data set, please ensure that during training, you need to check accuracy and error. Loss. During testing also, you need to check accuracy and loss actually. That is a fundamental you have to do actually. Let's try this. Please don't neglect, these are all example, man. If you are neglecting these are all example, I'm sure you may feel difficulty. I will show you one real-time project. Oh, did you notice? Accuracy, loss. Val accuracy, val loss. Boss, I have a question. What is overfit actually? That's it. Simple. Remember that. There are some definitions which I covered actually. Low bias and high variance. Technically. Good, man. Can you tell me what is accuracy? 78. And here what is accuracy? 73. All right. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Take this example. Sir, if you are neglecting current examples, if you're neglecting the practice, then you may not understand real-time projects actually. Real-time, what exactly projects? So let me show you a small example. Let me show you. So let me show you few examples. Please, I mean to say that on daily basis you have to be a regular touch up with the subject actually. If you spare, maybe the system is formatted. I need to install a lot of libraries, I guess. I will show you two real-time projects, which you can include in your resume also. Computer vision, machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, good projects actually. We have a time, I guess. Time undi manaki. All right. That's fine, Daniel. You can just have to take this. Let's take this. As of now, let me explain one project, two projects. Two project. The first project would be simple, very simple, a kind of some small mini actual. The requirement is I just wanted to run the program. Program name is a demo one. While you are running the program, you have to give your video. Like in your video. So do you have that option? Do you have a camera? Yeah, we have. Online team, look at my face, sir. I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah. I'm kidding. Let me just have to go here. What is the requirement, sir? Now I'm going to record one small video. So in that video, I can specify, hi, good evening. Then when you are running the program, your program supposed to take this video and it's supposed to analyze and you're supposed to get what I spoke, like, what I speak, like, hi, good evening, actual. This is something like a extract text from video. Talk with me, extract, and your pronunciation should be good, actually. Good, actually. Are you ready? Let me try. Let me record the video. Hi team, good evening. How are you? I hope you guys are doing great, actually. Good man. Let me take this. And where is the location? Copy. I'm sorry, as per the policies, I should not. It's okay. Copy here. Paste your video here. Yeah. Can I run this? Maybe you may not hear. Why? Because a lot of devices interconnected actually. Maybe my lip sync, I guess, actually. Yeah, good. Let me run the code actually. While you're running the code, maybe you have to install some libraries. Oh, what are libraries, Speech recognition, Google library. Okay, let me install these two. See, to understand these kind of examples, either you are really doing currently practice or not, I'm not sure. If you're really doing the practice, then only you will understand these are all examples actually. Remember in video what I spoke actually? It is being getting, hold on. Won't take much time. System also need to support, I need to cross verify. Speech recognition. Successfully built. Done actually. In real time, there was projects actually. From video, they will capture your text, what you are speaking. From video, they will capture your text actually. Yo, I hope I am not done over action, I guess. Good man. Let's run the code actual. I'm not sure either this audio is set captured or not, but let me cross verify. Hello, good evening. How are you? I hope you're doing something. Hi team, good evening. Hi. It came like a hi actually. Hi team, good evening. How are you? I hope you guys are doing what exactly? Great. Yeah, see, you are giving video and we are getting text data. We are getting what exactly? This we can process, don't worry. I said HAI hi, but it is taking hi. Pronunciation should be good actually. And hi team, good evening. How are you? I hope you guys are doing what exactly? Great. Actually, maybe did I use that word also? Yeah, actually I have used, I guess, before closing the video. To understand this project, you should do current project actually. We can talk more on more technical. We can talk later, sir. Why I'm sure. Now, can I execute the next project also? The next project is quite interesting. Your media pipeline takes a lot of time actually to install the library. We'll see. In IT company, do you know vending machine? Vending machine. Vending machine. Like, cafeterias especially. If you wanted to get kind of some coffee, tea, vending machines are there. You will understand. I will run the application, you will get an idea. Oh, you guys are really very good. System is running somewhat little speed. Why I'm running these projects? Please do the current examples practice. I'm encouraging. Maybe best example, go to the pandas. By default, it will reinstall NumPy actually. Maybe let me tell you the version conflicts. It will just try to uninstall the existing one. PP dependency that is still okay. You can ignore. Let's move on. Run the code, sir. Automatically, desktop application it will be launch. Your camera will start actually. This is something like a order coffee in vending machine, taking a little longer time. Deep learning example, see? Deep learning example. Yo, please. Four 46. If it is my system, application may run by this time, sir. This is system having some too slow. Look at my screen. Kind of some one application. Kind of some what exactly? One application actually. If you closely observe this application, there are 3 steps. So first, 1, 2, 3. Hand recognition. You can show your hand actually, it will recognize. Hello, it will recognize. What hand I'm showing? Left side actually. Let me show you the right hand. What hand I'm showing? It will recognize actually. Computer vision code actually. Now, here we have an option, right? If you wanted to select the first coffee, the second one, third one actually, you can show your finger. I'm showing the first finger. Did you notice it is selecting? Did you notice it is selecting actually? Yeah, good. Selecting then the next one, sugar level. So I like more sugar actually. Then what I need to select? 3. Let me show you. Yeah, you can play the game actually. This is called as a post detection. What detection, man? See, such a beautiful examples these are all. Now, which one you like, sir? Chappan, meek edi ishtam? Small one. I like large one, sir. But anyway, మీరు small one అన్నారు కాబట్టి either left hand or right hand you can use, but not both hands actually. But not what exactly mean both hand. Either only one hand actually. Small one, right? You can use any finger, that is okay. Then get ready. Open the door actually. Coffee will get. I'm sorry for getting. See, this can I run one more time? This kind of examples we can do, but ensure that I don't know how good you are in practice actually. If you are able to understand current examples, what we are doing, then only you will understand these are all examples actually, right? So make a note on this. We can implement. We have implemented like a kind of some desktop application and web application also we can do actually. Unstructured data. What data, sir? Video streaming, live streaming it is capturing. It is capturing live streaming actually, where your hand actually it is capturing, right? And it is recognizing. This one is also called as a post detection. In human body, it will recognize all parts actually. Make a note on this one, right? Now, first one. All right. Fine. Not selected actually. I'm closing. You have to wait. You can make it speed also. Go to the second one. Now go to the fine. That's it. Anyway, I request you who can do this role. This I can even explain later. Daniel, what is the final words actually? Please do regular practice, man. Do what exactly? A regular practice. Practice to understand the subject. To understand what exactly subject actually. And daily revision also matters. Chappan sir, daily revision also matters for better understanding. Fine then. So I will continue tomorrow. We done today's session. I'm sorry. Sir, I will share, sir. Definitely I will share actually. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. 1 minute. For previous batch, I have missed one file actually. Oh, you got angry. Okay. Well, you can come here and 5:30, right? Sure then. First neural network. I'm not re-uploading the dataset. Why? Because we are still using the previous dataset only. Go back and fifth one, sixth one actually. Running notes. Thank you. We done today's session. We'll catch again tomorrow. Please, as a request, please do the regular practice. Wait 1 minute. Let's close this.